Bula, I am Maneesha Karan, a communications executive in the Fiji Islands. Congratulations to Mysore University's Communication and Journalism Department on celebrating its Golden 50. It is a milestone for this learning institution. I was in the 2012-2014 MCJ batch, and those 2 years were absolutely remarkable for me, for my growth as an individual and for career advancement. I was a journalist in my country before pursuing master's studies at Mysore University, and upon my return, I took on a lecturing position in journalism and communication. Now I had a team of marketeers and information officers. I believe one of the highlights of my MCJ journey was the attainment of 5 gold medals. I did my country proud, my Fijian media fraternity, and my family proud, and I am grateful to the wonderful experience Mysore University provided me with. From highly qualified lecturers to guest speakers, rushing to make it to classes, and the canteen's masala dosa and veg manchuri. I remember it all too well. Oh, and the mischievous classmates who are now friends for life. I am a proud alumni, and I wish Mysore University's Communication and Journalism Department and its faculty members the best in reaching greater heights and nurturing greater talents. Vinaka.